each and every country inemithetho yayo. Kodwa futhi nibe nikwazi ukuthi makukhona indawo yokuthi kuyatholakala mhlambe imisebenzi, vele abantu abangenamthetho bazofika ngoba bazofuna ithuba lokuthi nabo basebenze. Ingakho nje nibona ukuthi sonke sesila ukuthi at least sisebenze. Siyazi ukuthi in each and every country kuba khona ama rules and regulations to adhere to with the aim yokuthi uhlale khona. Kodwa it's not like each and every citizen will adhere to that. You're gonna get some other people that will have a problem. Maybe like me, I'm coming from Malawi. I've been going to maybe Home Affairs, at least so that I can get something. But now, because my country is not at war, they cannot give me a refugee status. That's why I resorted to say, I mustn't go on the road and steal something from somebody. I mustn't do anything bad. Let me buy my machine. If I can get a place and sow and sell to people, earn a living, then that will be fine with me. Okay? That's why we are here. The situation that is here, you can see, is a very flabbergasting situation. We slept here last night. Not only last night. It's from we came here. I've got 2 days here. When I came here, we were only 30 something, but now within few seconds, we were like up, because you know why? Most of the people they are asking to say you were given a deadline until 30th for you to go. Yes, of course, we saw people coming here being repatriated to go home on free buses. But we have got those landlords. Bana unembeza. Ngihlale nabo lesemina ulandlord wami. I have stayed with that landlord for close to 15 years. You as a human being, you cannot just come and say, you go. You will have that thing because there is a bond that is between, even if that is a foreigner, but there is a bond that is there between you and your tenant. But now, after the government said each and every person who is keeping undocumented person will be charged 10,000. That's why if I tell you, I have lost everything. Not by the landlord. I saw people coming. My landlord was not there, but I was evicted. All my machine, all my fridges, all my TV. When you see me, the clothes that I have, I had to grab my child and my wife and run for a life.
Where were you staying?
Where were you staying? In Marani here. That has happened. And when you ask them, they say, no, we are here because you see much and much, Phakelumthakathi. But in my heart, I know Jacinta or Phakelumthakathi will not do that. He is just advocating an immigration crisis, but he is not telling people to say, hey, go and fight. But when that thing comes from a leader, some other people, they say, okay, no, because it's coming from the leader, let us do this. In that way, they are tarnishing the name of Jacinta, they are tarnishing the name of Phakelumthakathi, they are tarnishing the name of Ngizwe Mchunu. All right. In my part, I respect them and I understand their concern. And the way they have done, for them is fine. For me, I can say it's not okay because at least if Jacinta, Phakelumthakathi and the other Mchunu, if they had said, okay, this is a deadline, but now we are giving you until maybe November, whoever didn't go to that free bus must arrange for their transport, then from November, everybody must go. I would have not have been here because as of me, I was arranging to say, okay, because the landlord is telling me, let me stay. Maybe I'll get protection from this one. Let me stay. That's why I'm here. When I stay, the people are coming with their shambox. You cannot stay. Even now, they are phoning me to say, where are you? How do you feel? I'm so sorry, my child. But I cannot blame the person. But the boys that have taken that mentality that in this world, when you see a black person, it's like an animal. It's like we can say, in fact, if we put all in one, there is some sort of criminality. People want, as I'm telling you, my house is empty. It means when they saw that I'm not there, They came in and grabbed whatever is there, including my clothes. They ran away.
So yesterday, how did you manage? Because yesterday it was raining here in Durban.
We have seen Gaza crisis. We have seen Iran crisis. When I was looking at TV, that question that you are asking me, I was also asking, how do they manage this status? When you are in a foreign country, when you are in a place whereby you cannot even go somewhere where you don't know, you remain to stay where you are. Whatever will happen in your life must happen because you have no choice. Ingani, mama, including us, sinetiwe. Njengoba umbona manje, bembegela pa. Kuomile ngakufaka. Kota ayiki enye into ngingayenza ngoba ngiyazi vele kuti even if I do, where can I go? This is not my land, and the people of South Africa, they don't want us. Let us go. But one thing that I must tell you, at least I would have said maybe the government. If they can say that, okay, Phakelumthakathi Ngizwe Mchunu and maybe Jacinta, we have heard your message. Please cool down. And the government must take the role of arresting each and every undocumented person. I couldn't have left my clothes because the police will not come now. I would have arranged to take my clothes, send it, and let me go. Because I would have seen that this is what is happening now. But now, we cannot do anything. We are here, we are suffering. If we are eating here, we are eating because of the gift of the givers and some other Muslim well-wishers Muslims that are providing food here. For the Muslim world, we say thank you so much because they are the first people that have stood up and they realized that there is what we call humanitarian crisis here. Some even at night they brought the blankets like for kids. So that is what I can say to the Muslim world. That is to my country, like Malawi. We know, they know also that we were given what we call a deadline. But our problem was with the landlords that convinced us that maybe we can stay. They must have also the heart to know we are their citizens. And even if we die here, it will be their responsibility to repatriate our bodies. So I'm begging the government of Malawi to have a heart, help South African government. Let's go home.
My brother, thank you very much for your intelligence, for sharing this sad news here with us right now.
Okay, thank you so much. But also for the government of South Africa, we have seen how they stood up, trying to address the situation. Me personally, I thank the government of South Africa for whatever effort they have done, because on the 30th, we could have seen more bodies. But the security measures that were put there to curb that situation, we thank President Ramaphosa and the rest of the security institution. We thank them. That's all what I can say. For Jacinta and Phakelumthakathi and Ngizwe Mchunu, me personally, I'm not against them. I understand their pain. Although we are in problems, but they mustn't feel that even if I see Jacinta, then it will mean that she is my enemy. No. Phakelumthakathi will remain be my brother. Ngizwe Mchunu will remain be my brother. But I'm just begging them to have a heart and cool down their tone, because even if we are here, but there are still people that are there. Give them time so that maybe they can pick themselves up and then repatriate. Because this camp, if they close now, is closed. It was closed and it was opened because there are so many people. Once they close again, then there is nobody who can come here. That will be the problem. I'm just begging for them to have a heart and cool down, tone down, so that this criminality thing that is happening. Maybe the people will know that if our leaders are talking like this, then it means let us stop harassing people. They will. I can assure you, even if you don't fight, even if you don't do what, foreigners will come. Because we have had, for a foreign nation to stay in a nation, must have a job, must have a place to sleep. If there is no place to sell, if there is no place to work, then you have killed them. Even if you don't go and beat them, you have killed them. The government must enforce these laws. If they enforce, even if you don't fight them, you have killed them. They will go. But what we are begging, please, don't take somebody's life because he is illegal. We must fear God, because you never know. Maybe one day something can happen in South Africa. You're going to need to go to Mozambique. You're going to need to go to Zimbabwe. As of the situation now, it will be impossible for you, because those people will not think like how I think. Everybody will have that enmity in their heart that our brothers in South Africa have done this. If they try to come here, we will avenge. Then it will be hard for you. But I'm not saying that will happen, but I'm just expressing my views. As for me, I don't have any other grudges. I'm going home.
Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend.